In this video we're going to be making a meat cleaver, a miniature one, and as you would hope it's fiendishly sharp. Not only does this meat cleaver look the part, but it's actually a perfect scale copy of its full-size brother. It looks cute, it's genuinely handy, but it's the addition of this simple storage block that makes it a really useful tool to own. Made from scrap hardwood, it has a rescued neo magnet embedded in the base, so when the cleaver is offered in the slot in the top, it draws the blade inside, locking it into position. Now you can place the meat cleaver where it's always handy, like as a fridge magnet, a workshop tool, or put it in your pocket without being cut to ribbons. Made from nothing more complicated than a Stanley knife blade, some scrap wood and an old fridge magnet, it's easy and cheap to make as an epic gift or as some man swag for yourself.